In this tutorial, we're going to see how to create totals and subtotals in Excel. In case you're preparing a report and you want to create totals and subtotals automatically, how do you do that? So we have some sales data here. Sales, we have a product group, product category, product type, product name, unit sold, and total sales. We can do some subtotals by product group and see how subtotals work. So couple of things to remember before going with subtotals. Ensure that you don't have a manually calculated total row. Two is that you need to have your product groups sorted in some order, either ascending or descending. What we mean by this is that let's say this product group category here, whole bean teas. So all data wherever you have whole bean teas comes together continuously. It's not that you have half the rows here and then half the rows at the bottom. If you have it in that fashion, then the subtotal wouldn't work really well. So once you have the data sorted, go to the data menu. You'll find subtotal here. So you can go click on subtotal. At each change in, what is the column by which you want to do the subtotal? So we want product group. What is the function we want to use? We want to use sum. We want to do totals. Then we can go unit sold and total sales. These are the two columns for which we want the sum. There are a lot of other options. We will go with sum and summary below data. We'll say okay. If you look at it, there is a subtotal inserted here. There is a subtotal inserted here. And you can see that there are a couple of tabs, 1, 2, 3 added on the left. This will help you view data in a summarized format. So when you click on 3, you see the whole data. When you click on 2, you see the subtotal information and the grand total. When you click on 1, you just see the grand total information. So we'll click on 3 again. Now we have added a subtotal. Let's add another level of subtotal based on product category. To do this, go here. Again, go to subtotal, change to product category. We want the sum. All other parameters, let it be the same. So we'll say okay. Now you can see this has become 4 here. So there are 4 levels now. Now if you go to the third level, we see this product category subtotals, then the product group subtotal, and finally we see the grand total. Now, how do you remove a subtotal? Once you have applied a subtotal, let's assume I want to go back to the normal state without any subtotals. What should I do? So click here, go to subtotal and say remove all. Now, you cannot remove one subtotal at a time. You will have to remove everything. And here you have an option which says remove all. Click on this remove all button and all the subtotals are gone. My data is restored back to its default state. That's about it. Thank you. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please use the comments to share your feedback. Thank you.